The topic is constraint motion, application number 3, force of contact. Okay, so look at here, this is the horizontal surface and I have two objects of masses m1 and m2 which are placed on the horizontal surface, and these two bodies are contact with each other. Okay, now if I applied some external force on the mass m1 along this direction, so due to this external force the two bodies moves along with the direction of the force. So that means acceleration also developed along with the direction of the force. So we know that Newton's second law. What is Newton's second law? Force is equal to mass into acceleration, isn't it? But we have two masses, so instead of m, I am taking m1 plus m2 into a. Okay, so by seeing this formula easily we can calculate the acceleration of these two bodies, right? So bring this acceleration left side. A is equal to F by m1 plus m2. So this is the acceleration of these two blocks. Okay, now look at here, coming to this second diagram, whenever a force is acting on the mass m1 in this direction, so the first body pushes the second body in this direction, isn't it? So here Fc means contact force. That means m1 body pushes the m2 body with some contact force Fc along with the direction of the force in this direction. Okay, at the same time m2 body having some mass, isn't it? So due to that mass, the second body trying to oppose the motion in opposite direction with some contact force Fc. Okay, that means at a time we have contact force along positive x-axis direction because of this external force, and the other contact force is due to second mass. But whatever it may be, that external force as well as m1 contact force is more as comparing to m2 contact force. So that's why m2 body moves along with the direction of the force with some contact force, isn't it? So here contact force Fc is equal to m into a. Here m means m2 into a. Okay, but acceleration formula we know how much? F by m1 plus m2. So you can substitute here m2 into F by m1 plus m2. So this equation we can write it as m2 F by m1 plus m2. So this is the contact force. Okay, so based on this topic we will discuss one problem also today. So coming to the problem, three masses of 16, 8 and 4 kg are placed in contact as shown in the figure. If a force of 140 Newton is applied on 4 kg mass, then the force on 16 kg mass will be dash. Okay, so look at here, this is the horizontal surface. I have three objects of masses is 16 kg, 8 kg and 4 kg. These three blocks which are in contact with each other. Okay, now look at here, 140 Newton force is applied on the 4 kg mass. Due to this external force, all these three blocks moves with some acceleration, isn't it? So net force is equal to how many blocks? 3 blocks. So m1 plus m2 plus m3 into a. Okay, so easily we can calculate acceleration, right? So bring this acceleration left side. A is equal to F by m1 plus m2 plus m3. Okay, so force value how much? 140 Newton divided by m1 value is 4, m2 value is 8, m3 value is 16. So 140 divided by 4 plus 8 means 12, 12 plus 16 means 28. So the net acceleration is equal to 28 meter per second square. Okay, so after getting this acceleration, what they are asking here? The force on 16 kg mass will be dash. So how much force is acting on the 16 kg mass? So again we will use Newton's second law. What is Newton's second law? F is equal to m3 into A. m3 means 16 kg. So m3 value is 16 into acceleration. Sorry. How many times this one? 5 meter per second. Okay. So acceleration value is 5 meter per second square. So 16 into 5 means 80. Sorry, I am doing completely mistake. So F is equal to m3 value is 16 into acceleration value is 5. So net force is 80 Newton was acting on the 16 kg. Okay.